Hey guys, so today I made another video, I'm making another video showing you why we need to watch out for Bitcoin now for potential drawback in price. So if you recall my last video, I was bullish on Bitcoin for several reasons. I'm not going to go over that now, but suffice to say that Bitcoin, we had a little pump from there. I think the price was, yeah, that's right. It was about 6,000. That's where I had my buy level um, around here. And in any case, we broke out of the downwards wedge, but I think that it's great and everything, but we don't have a ton of volume yet, so it's nothing to get too excited about. And this video is meant for those who are more trading. Okay, so if you're investing, then this video might not be so interesting for you. But certainly, if you want to take some profits or you're looking for a level, this should be relevant to you. So let's look at what happened here. First of all, yellow arrow means watch out, and the red lightning means strong chance of downward trend. Okay, so again, this is a super simple strategy. It's what I love about it. It really doesn't. It's not rocket science, you know. Um, so we look at the RSI levels here. RSI going up. Okay, not a sign of bearish divergence. The price is going up. All right. Now, why do we have to look at this level over here? Because boom, over here we have the MACD coming down. But this is not in and of itself a sign that that the price is going to come down from there. It's something to watch out for. Now, what do we see over here? Over here we see MACD has come down even more. Okay, fair enough. And actually here you can already see that the price, the RSI is stable, is getting more stable. So it's reaching this sort of mini triple top here. You could say 1, 2, 3. Okay, but it's not like the RSI is going downwards yet. So it's not a sure sign of anything about to happen. But what do we notice? Sorry, these things are kind of in the way. What do we notice over here? Now over here we see that not only is the MACD steadily downtrending, but the RSI over here has a small downtrend over here. So here is already a sign. This one is a little bit smaller than this one because it's not just an issue of, okay, is the RSI trending, does it have a downwards incline? It's also a matter of how downwards is that incline. Sorry, this is the wrong way. So this is like a small incline over here, a decline over here, and this is a slightly larger one, okay? So, but in any case, if you had have sold here for a short trade, you would already have made a profit had you have bought back, later. And here again, here of course we have, we have the trifecta. We have the decreasing MACD. Okay, so we have a decrease here, decrease there, and you could also just take this out and say, look, we have it coming down from there. All right. So from this point over here, the price is 7,500 all the way down to here. The price is 7,700. Okay, so the price has gone up, MACD has gone down. Now the RSI, if we go from this point, again, I'll take this out for simplicity to show you this is why this is the real critical point where you should probably sell. We have the RSI at this level over here at 62 coming down to 61.5. And what happened to the price? The price went from 7.7. Okay, it didn't actually go down, but it stayed at the same level. Okay, so the price stayed at the same level while the RSI was coming down a bit, while the MACD was coming down. So this is, a sign again that things are gonna go downwards. And of course, this happened not only here, but here it happened, of course, in a much bigger way. Over here, it's exactly the same principle. Okay, so the price was going up, the MACD was going down, not necessarily a sign to sell, but when the MACD is trending downwards here, the histogram, then it's a sign to watch out, look at what happens next, and then boom, here we have the RSI coming down here, okay, from here. I mean, it's I'm not drawing perfect trend lines here, all right, but over here you see this peak is lower than that peak, and it also coincides with this lower MACD, but the price is is the same over here. Actually, I mean, the price is steadily increasing. So again, here's a sign of coming down. Now, what does this mean for now? So we don't have the trifecta. We don't have the increasing price, decreasing MACD, and decreasing RSI. What we do have is decreasing MACD. So this means, hey, watch out. You know, if we get an RSI which has this sort of shape over here, okay. So in other words, if this we already have a double top here. Now we could very easily have another higher high over there, but if we start seeing some downwards, look, something like this, okay. If we get another high in price, but the RSI doesn't reach a higher high, or even if it reaches the same level over here, this would be a sign to sell pretty much, and especially of course if the MACD is even lower than this previous high. Although even if it's lower than this high over here, you know, if the MACD reaches something like this, a little bit higher, let's just enlarge this. Let's say the MACD goes to there. You know, it's not the best of signs because it's higher than this previous high, but it's still lower than that low over there. But ideally, yeah, you would really want to see something like here. So high, lower low, lower low, lower low. Okay, high, lower low, lower low. So since I'm not suggesting to take profits now, where you to be in a long position, when would be a good time to take profits? Okay, so for that we will look at some horizontal resistance lines. So for example, we have this, the high of 6859. Okay, over here 6904, psychological 7000, and this is the 1.618 fib retracement level. Sorry, fib extension level, assuming that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm assuming that let's take profits, or maybe even to enter a short position anywhere between in this blue zone would make the most sense. I haven't yet set a target. There's a previous trade, just getting rid of that. I haven't yet set a target for if you were in a short position for when to buy back. That's a different matter, but the point of this video is just to show you to watch out now, because this red lightning sign could show up, and if it does, then you know, this generally, I mean, also of course the other thing to watch out for is the 4-hour RSI being oversold. And if we look at the last time it was oversold, and notice this is a bear market first of all, so you know, in bull markets, 4-hour RSI can be oversold, and it can get more and more oversold, and the price will just keep on pumping up a lot. But we're in a bear market, so when the RSI reaches this type of level, I mean, look what happened over here. We had a declining RSI over here, inclining price. What was the MACD declining? What happened? Boom, we came down. Okay, so there's nothing to say yet that we're not going to see the same type of action over here. And in my last video, I said conservatively, to buy this breakout, you would want to see a lot of volume. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of all these drawing tools. So we don't have a lot of volume here. Okay, we have actually less volume than these big red candles over here. So this is not super reassuring that we're out of this bear trend. So we did break the wedge over here. Okay, I'm not going to draw that. You can see that in my last video. But you know, it's possible that we start creating this downwards parallel channel here. This is sort of what I'm watching out for. And if that were to be the case, then you know, this could be a possible line of resistance. And of course, you have the daily 26 EMA, which is what most exchanges are showing, the 12 and the 26, if I'm not mistaken. So, you know, there's certainly some points of resistance right here, right now. And as I said, if you see that MACD and the RSI with a downward incline with another increase in price, yeah, you should probably watch out. All right, so that's it for me today. Let me know what you think, and yeah, good luck trading.